Hey guys, welcome back to Really Simple Experiments. Today we are going to be making chocolate scented slime, so let's get started. To make this slime, you will need 50 milliliters of PVA glue. I've already measured it out, as you can see. Some brown paint, some chocolate scent, some slime activator, which is either a contact lens solution with baking soda or borax water, a pot to mix it in, and a spoon or something to mix it with.
After you've measured out your 50 milliliters of PVA glue, pour it into a pot or whatever you're mixing it in. Now add a little bit of brown paint and mix thoroughly until it's fully mixed in.
Now you need to add a bit of chocolate scent. Disclaimer, this is not safe to eat and it's not a chocolate essence, so I do not recommend cooking with this.
After you have put the chocolate scent in, mix thoroughly until it is fully mixed in. Add in 5 milliliters of slime activator and mix it in a little at a time until it becomes to be like a slime, I guess. Once your slime has been activated, knead it until it is the right consistency to play with.
This is how the slime turned out. It's really good. I'd recommend you make it. And if you sip it, it actually does smell like chocolate, which is great for me because I love chocolate. I would recommend you make this slime. It's very quick to make. It takes about 10 minutes to do if you're recording, but probably about 5 if you're making it on your own. See you in the next video. Bye!